Wishes for the coming new year to everyone here. We want peace and tranquility to prevail, and let's hope that the future will be very bright for the district and also for everyone. And I will wish that for the youngsters that they should not do any kind of drunken driving during the 31st and 1st of January. You enjoy different programs, but always be careful. And also during the picnic sites, we have so beautiful places in our districts. So I will urge upon everyone to keep those picnic spots clean. When you go there, kindly do not throw your or litter all over the place, and don't throw the plastics in the water bodies or all around you, so that we can preserve the environment. Thank you, everyone.